If you're experiencing issues with Spotify's playlist in a bottle feature, consider the following troubleshooting steps. Update the Spotify app. Ensure your app is up to date, as outdated versions may lack necessary features or contain bugs. Update Spotify via the Google Play Store, h/play.google.com/store/details.com.spotify.music for Android or the App Store. 2. Clear app cache. Corrupted cache data can cause malfunctions. To clear the cache, go to your device's settings. Select Apps and find Spotify. Tap Storage, then choose Clear Cache. 3. Check internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to determine if connectivity is the issue. 4. Verify server status. Occasionally, Spotify's servers may experience outages. Check platforms like downdetector.com/status Spotify/ to see if others are reporting issues. 5. Reinstall Spotify. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app to resolve potential software glitches. 6. Contact Spotify support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Spotify support, htfsupport.spotify.com/contact Spotify-support